Hello everybody, this is a new video. Today we're going to be showcasing Restart Tag. It just got added to App Lab. It was SideQuest, but now it's not. So if you hold this button on your controller, if you hold B in your controller, the mod menu will pop up on the other hand. There's no way to change it, I don't think. But I'm just going to be testing these out. So like first there's Iron Monkey. Everyone knows what Iron Monkey does. The top of your hand controls of where you go. So like if I put the top of my hand down, I go down. I bring it up, I go up a little bit. Oh wait, no, is it the front? Nope, it's the top of your hand. It's a little slow, but how you work it. There's speed boost. It's not a huge speed boost, but it's still a speed boost. Steam long arms. This is the longest arms I have ever seen in a game. But I'm not turning that back on. It's a Super Monkey. It's an insanely slow Super Monkey. But I'm gonna fly all the way to Forest. Wait, what? Well, let's see this. I don't like it. Okay. That's Super Monkey. There's platforms. Why am I... Is this no gravity? Why is no gravity on? Bruh. Look who has to... Guess who has to restart? So like I said, platforms. It's normal platforms. No clip. I'm gonna need platforms again for this. I have no idea what button it is. Okay, so it is A on your controller, which is no clip. Next page. Up and down. I have no idea what that does. Someone please tell me. Low quality. Ew, disgusting. Rotate platforms. The platforms rotate. Okay, why is... Oh, up and down. Like if it's on low quality and it doesn't turn back on, press up and down and press it again. Rotate platforms is platforms, but like it rotates with like where your hand is. Car Monkey. You use, I think, RT. Right trigger. Slide control. It's just normal slide control. And this is long arms. This is Steam long arms times 7 or something. This is crazy. I'm gonna keep this on. There's invisible platforms. Literally invisible platforms. Slip slap. I need to turn on plaps for this so I can just get up here. But, oh crap. Dropped my controller. Yeah, that works, I think. Yeah, it works. Well, that's all for that mod menu. There's more. So there's this. I mean, near clip. I have no idea what that means. Flip, unflip, flip, misc, follow player. Doesn't work. But the next menu is... So restart claims when they start with, let's see, aspect. You use the same button. Iron Monkey. We already did that, but it's not as crazy. Speed boost. Let's see if this... No, It's not. Which is good. Steam long arms. It's the exact same thing. No, this is like times 12 of like the other Steam long arms. But like the thing is, you can do that and you run fast. Like fast. But Super Monkey, it's the same thing. Like the exact same thing. And I think all Super Monkeys, you control it with your head. Platforms. Literally the exact same platforms. No clip. We need platforms. I don't care about, like, rotate platforms is the same exact thing, but up and down just changes from low quality to normal. Car Monkey, already did it. Side control, long arms, same thing. Invisible plats, same thing also. Ow. Okay, slip slap. It's literally slip slap. You could do it all over again. So, what did I just turn on? Oh God. What did I just do? Up and down off. Change. Low quality off, up and down on. No clip off, Car Monkey off. Long arms on. Okay, everything's good. That's all for that menu. So now we're checking out this menu. So we did restart color aspects, Shiba Gold. Oh, you use X on this controller, and it pops up on your other hand. Iron Monkey. It is literally Iron Monkey. You could just act like you're actually good or something. No, it'd be a stupid thing to do. Speed boost. It's the same as all the others. Steam long arms. Jeez. It's the exact same thing. Hey, it's copyrighted. I don't know if it's copyrighted, but probably is. Epic playing montage. No, epic Steam long arms montage. Broken. Okay, so better turn that off now. Super Monkey. Platforms. It's the exact same platforms. For some reason, like, everything's the same. No clip. Any platforms. Low quality, up and down. Rotate platforms. They literally rotate. It's annoying how everything is the same. car monkey. It's kind of like the stick to walls thing. I bet you cannot stick to slippery walls. Ah! Oh my god! It's like I'm wall okay. Slide control. We're gonna have to go to mountains for this. So this is old mountains, which is really cool, but slide control's already on. You could really control yourself here. So you can just jump up here, then you could just control yourself extremely easily. Oh god. Oh, I bet I could just run up this thing. Never mind, you can't. But maybe you can. Well, yeah, this is this old part. You have to slide up here to get on this. But long arms, it's the same thing. Invisible platforms, it's invisible platforms. Like, there's no sticky platforms. Slip slap. I think I could just slip slap my way up that wall or something. Yeah, you had like no slide control. Well, and there's also disconnect button. It's really tired while recording this, so it's just like I'm really quiet while doing it. But now it's another day, so I'm not as quiet.